I have no recourse left than to talk to you a bit aloud. I am going to talk about a subject called time and space. The subject may appear a little bit strange to you, but let me break it down into small parts so as to make it understandable to you. Time. If I ask you what is the time, you will look at your wristwatch and tell me that it is 10:30 or so. But I give a ring to my friend in London at the same time and ask him what time it is, and he will say it is 4 hours more, that is around 4:30 or something. Then again I give a ring to my friend in New York and ask him what time it is. He will give a different time. Then I go back to Tokyo and ask a friend of mine what time he has. He will tell me something different. How is that at the same point of time people are giving me information about different times? 4 hours before my time or 4 hours after my time, 8 hours after my time. So time differs because the space differs. London is far away and New York is farther away, and therefore the time is different. So the space is different and the time is different. This is understandable. Now come to another point. You have time 10:30 in the morning. Okay. Just wait for a few minutes, for that matter a few seconds. Are you in the same space that is in your home? Of course you are situated in your home, sitting at your home. But as far as outer space is concerned, you are somewhere else. You are thousands of miles away from where you have been because the earth is moving around the sun with a tremendous speed. So you are, although static at one point, you seem to be static in your room, but yet you are moving in outer space, in antariksh. Similarly, when you go to the moon, you find that there is a different time scale. Again, you move to the Mars, the time scale is different. Then to the Venus, Mars scale is different. And then move on to the Jupiter, for example. Time scale is different. The time moves utterly slowly. On the surface of the moon, the time moves a bit faster than the Earth. So the time becomes a relative phenomenon, relative to where we are in outer space or how far we are from somebody and how far we are away from a planet and so on. So time has a different connotations, different meaning. The space also has a different meaning. You are static at one place, but you know that the space, the outer space, that is the cosmos, is ever expanding. The universe is expanding. So we are all expanding. We are not at one place. So the time and space are, in one sense, twined around each other, interlaced with each other. Time, according to some people, is an illusion, Maya, unreal. According to some, Time is real. It depends upon you how you look at it. But see the different meanings of time in different places, in different slots of space.